my EVS class. Today we are continuing with the chapter 9, our festivals. Chapter 9, our festivals. Last class we learned about national festivals. Today we are going to learn more about festivals. Okay. Other festivals are Buddha Purnima, Onam, Diwali, Christmas, Holi and Eid. Today we will discuss these festivals also. First one is Buddha Purnima, second Onam, third one Diwali, fourth Christmas, then Holi and Eid. Okay. First one is Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is celebrated to memorize the birth anniversary of Lord Buddha. So Buddha Purnima is celebrated to memorize the birth anniversary of Lord Buddha. It is also known as Buddha. It is also known as Buddha Jayanti. Okay, it is also known as Buddha Jayanti. Do you know how this festival is celebrated? Do you know how this festival is celebrated? On this day, people wear white clothes and teach Lord Buddha's teachings. Okay, on this day, people wear white clothes and teach Lord Buddha's teachings. Okay, so Buddha Purnima means what? Buddha Purnima is also known as Buddha Jayanti, and on this day people wear white clothes and teach Lord Buddha's teachings. Okay, Buddha Purnima is celebrated to memorize the birth anniversary of Lord Buddha. Buddha Purnima is celebrated to memorize the birth anniversary of Lord Buddha. Okay, it is also known as Buddha Jayanti. Okay, on this special day, people wear white clothes and teach Lord Buddha's teachings. Okay, next one is about Onam. Next festival we are going to study is Onam. Onam is one of the most famous festival in Kerala. It is a harvest festival. It is a harvest festival. In this day, people wear new traditional dresses. We decorate our houses with the floral designs, which you know, Pookalam, Atta Pookalam, and cook Ona Sadhya with a lot of dishes. A lot of events happen during this festival, such as snake boat race or Vallangali. Then Pulikali procession, in which artists dressed and paint their body like a tiger. Then Kaigottikali and Tiruvadiragali are also held during this Onam. So Onam is most famous for you, isn't it? Onam is one of the most famous festival in Kerala. It is a harvest festival, and in this day people wear new traditional dresses. You know, that is കൊച്ചു പിള്ളേരൊക്കെ പട്ടുപാവാടയും ബ്ലൗസും ഒക്കെയാണ് ധരിക്കുന്നത്. പിന്നെ സെറ്റ് മുണ്ടും സാരിയും ഒക്കെ വലിയ ആൾക്കാര്, അതുപോലെ ആൺകുട്ടികള് മുണ്ടൊക്കെ ഉടുക്കും, കശവിന്റെ മുണ്ടൊക്കെ ഉടുക്കും. അപ്പൊ അതാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഇൻ ദിസ് ഡേ പീപ്പിൾ വെയർ ന്യൂ ട്രഡീഷണൽ ഡ്രസ്സസ് ആൻഡ് ഡെക്കറേറ്റ് ദർ ഹൗസസ് വിത്ത് അത്തപ്പൂക്കളം. ദാറ്റ് യു നോ, നമ്മളെ വീട്ടിലുള്ള പൂക്കളൊക്കെ വെച്ചിട്ട് ഒരു അത്തപ്പൂക്കളം ഇടും. ഓക്കെ, അതുപോലെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് വി കുക്ക് ഓണസദ്യ വിത്ത് ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് ഡിഷസ്. ഓക്കെ, so you are very familiar with the Onam. The next one is Diwali. Next festival is Diwali. Diwali or Deepavali is a Hindu festival and it's also known as Festival of Lights. Diwali or Deepavali is known as Festival of Lights. Usually Deepavali lasting for 5 days and celebrated during the month of Kartika. It's celebrated during the month of Kartika. And Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, or good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. During Diwali, we observe diyas and lightning, home decorations, shopping, fireworks, gifts, pujas, that is prayers, feast and sweets. Diwali എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് it's a festival of lights. അപ്പോൾ ദീപാവലിയുടെ ദിവസം നമ്മുടെ വീടുകളെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ ദിയാസ് കൊണ്ട്, അതായത് വിളക്കുകൾ കത്തിച്ച് വെച്ച് വിളക്കെല്ലാം കത്തിച്ച് വെക്കാറുണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ വീടുകളിലെല്ലാം. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഹോം ഡെക്കറേഷൻസ് ഉണ്ട്, ഷോപ്പിംഗ്സ് ഉണ്ടാവും, ഫയർ വർക്ക്സ് ഉണ്ടാവും. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ദിവാലിക്ക് എല്ലാവരും അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും ഗിഫ്റ്റ്സ് കൊടുക്കും. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ സ്വീറ്റ്സ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടാക്കി ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനും റിലേറ്റീവ്സിനും ഒക്കെ കൊടുക്കാറുണ്ട്. അതാണ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ ഈസ് അബൌട്ട് ക്രിസ്മസ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് ക്രിസ്മസ്. സോ വി ലേൺ ബുദ്ധ പൂർണിമ, ഓണം, ദിവാലി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് അബൌട്ട് ക്രിസ്മസ്. Christmas is celebrated to remember the birth of Jesus Christ. Christmas is celebrated to remember the birth of Jesus Christ, who Christians believe is the Son of God. The name Christmas comes from the Mass of Christ. A Mass service is where Christians remember that Jesus died for us and then come back to life. On Christmas, we decorate Christmas trees, crib, stars, etc. We all prepare cakes on this special day. So, Christmas means what? Christmas is celebrated to remember the birth of Jesus Christ. And you know, we celebrate Christmas on December 25th. We celebrate Christmas on December 25th. Okay. Then, on Christmas, we decorate Christmas trees, crib, stars, etc. അതായത് ക്രിസ്മസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? ഇസ് എ ബർത്ത് ഓഫ് ജീസസ് ക്രൈസ്റ്റ്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ക്രിസ്മസ് ദിവസം നമ്മൾ നമ്മുടെ വീട്ടില് ക്രിസ്മസ് ട്രീ, എല്ലാവരും ക്രിസ്മസ് ട്രീ ഒക്കെ ഡെക്കറേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കാറുണ്ട്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ക്രിബ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പുൽക്കൂട് ഉണ്ടാക്കി വെക്കും. ദെൻ പിന്നെന്താണ്, സ്റ്റാർ ഒക്കെ എല്ലാവരും അവരുടെ വീട്ടില് ക്രിസ്മസ് സ്റ്റാർസ് ഒക്കെ ഇടും. അതുപോലെ പിന്നെന്താ, നമ്മുടെ വീടുകളിലെല്ലാം സാന്താക്ലോസ്, ക്രിസ്മസ് അപ്പൂപ്പനൊക്കെ വരാറുണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെ വളരെ ഹാപ്പി ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ഫെസ്റ്റിവലാണ് ക്രിസ്മസ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ക്രിസ്മസ് ഈസ് സെലിബ്രേറ്റഡ് ടു റിമെമ്പർ ദ ബർത്ത് ഓഫ് ജീസസ് ക്രൈസ്റ്റ്, who Christians believe is a son of God. Okay. Next one is Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. Holi is a festival of colors. In here we learn Diwali is a festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. So Holi is the festival of colors. Usually it is celebrated for 2 days in most part of India. On the first day night, a bonfire is lit up. On the first day night, a bonfire is lit up. On the second day, people play with different colors and they throw colored water on each other and give sweets and all. Okay. So, Holi is the festival of colors. Holi is the festival of colors. Okay. So on this day, people throw different colors, different colored water. They throw different colors, play with the colors, and they throw colored water on each other, and they give gifts and all. Okay. Next one is Eid. Eid is an important religious festival celebrated by Muslims. So Eid is an important religious festival celebrated by Muslims. It is celebrated after a whole month of fasting, and it's known as Ramzan. So it is celebrated after a whole month of fasting called Ramzan. On the last day of Ramzan, people come out to see the beautiful Eid moon. People go to mosque to offer their prayers called namaz. So people go to mosque to offer their prayer called namaz. They all wear new clothes and greet each other saying Eid Mubarak. They greet each other by saying Eid Mubarak. Okay. So Eid is a religious festival. It's a religious festival of Muslims. Okay. Okay. So we learn Buddha Purnima, Onam, Diwali, Christmas, Holi, Eid. Last one is Janmashtami. Last one is Janmashtami. It is a Hindu festival. Janmashtami is a Hindu festival celebrated in remembrance of the birth of Lord Krishna. Okay, it is celebrated in remembrance of the birth of Lord Krishna. This festival is also known as Sri Krishna Jayanti or Gokulashtami. Okay, so this one Janmashtami. Janmashtami is celebrated in remembrance of the birth of Lord Krishna. It is celebrated in remembrance of birth of Lord Krishna. Okay, this festival is also known as Sri Krishna Jayanti or Gokulashtami. In this, young boys dress up as Krishna and girls as Radha on this festival. Okay. So we learn Buddha Purnima, Onam, Diwali, Christmas, Holi, Eid and Janmashtami. Okay. Then, now we will summarize what we learned today. So we learned about different festivals. You know, festivals are mainly divided into three: national festivals, religious festival and seasonal festival. Okay, national festival, religious festival and seasonal festival. Okay, national festival, we learned three national festivals, that is Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, Independence Day. We celebrated Independence Day on 15th August of every year. We celebrated Independence Day on 15th August every year. Then Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. On 26th January every year. Then Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrated Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. 2nd October every year. Okay, then we learn these festivals also. That is Buddha Purnima, Onam, Diwali, Christmas, Holi, Eid and Janmashtami. Okay, Buddha Purnima is celebrated to memorize the birth anniversary of Lord Buddha. Then Onam, that you know. Onam is a most famous festival in Kerala. Then it's a harvest festival. Then Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. Okay, it's a festival of lights. Then Christmas. Christmas is celebrated in the remembrance of the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay. Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. Holi is a festival of colors. Then Eid. Eid means Eid is a festival of Muslims. Okay, Eid is a festival of Muslims. Then Janmashtami is a Hindu festival celebrated in the remembrance of the birth of Lord Krishna. Okay, and we all like festivals. Okay, festivals help us to get together the families and friends and all. So we all like festivals. So please learn up to this. Thank you.